Hi mga kajobang, Sir Dance DIY. Mapalad nga kami at nabigyan kami ng libreng ticket from Lisa Makuha courtesy ng aming kumaring si Ma'am Wilma. Ayan. So from MBC Media Group at ang aming papanoorin ay ang Jaran! The Dawn of Ballet, Aliw Theater, February 21st, 2026, Saturday, 7 p.m. Uy, pre-seating. Yan. At meron akong 4 na tickets. So, manonood kami nito. At gusto nyo ba sumama? Yes! Tara, pero bago yan, mag-intro muna tayo. Mag-aalas 5 na nang dumating kami sa venue at tignan nyo, ang daming tao at mukhang mahirapan makapasok. Pero bago mag-alas 6 nasa loob na ako at tignan nyo kung nasaan kami nakapwesto, sa bandang unahan.
Welcome to the Aliw Theater. Welcome to the second night of the Dawn of Ballet. We'd like to request everybody, as we expect a full house tonight, to please adjust your seats. Make sure that there are no vacant seats beside you so that we can accommodate everyone.
Mga kajobang, sa simula pa lang kinikilabutan na ako dahil narinig ko na ang intro ng paborito kong envelope idea. Sa saliw ng Balay Manila at ayan na ang Dawn. Dahil first time ko makakapanood ng ganito, may ballet na at may libreng rock concert pa, diba Stig? At siya nga pala, dahil ngayon 2026 sila celebrate na ng Dawn ang kanilang 40th anniversary.
Relatable to more people by using the music of mainstream artists. We are going new wave rock tonight with Dawn. And they don't just fulfill that goal, they have embraced the idea fully. And serendipitously, they share a 40th anniversary with me. The birth of the Dawn coincides with the anniversary since my return to the Philippines from my 4-year stint in Russia. Oh wait, long time ago. Ladies and gentlemen, the Dawn, Jen Paman, June Boy Leonor, Francis Reyes, Sancho Sanchez, and Bim Yansen.
Oh my God, thank you so much, Miss Lisa. It is our pleasure indeed to work with Ballet Manila as part of this Ballet and Ballads Envelope Ideas, of course, sings about the premise that if you can't say it, just sing it or turn it into song. Now we get to do that even further, to turn our ideas into song and dance.
Yes, and they get to do exactly that as they have chosen some of their more familiar and well-loved tracks that carry emotional but clear stories that audiences can connect to. Even our choreographers.
At ang next song nila ay ang paborito ko, Isang Bangka Tayo. At syempre, hindi matatapos ang konsertong ito na hindi aawitin ang salamat.
I will go down there, but I don't want to get in the way of such great performance by Ballet Manila. So let me just feel your energy now. Salamat at tayo'y nagkasama muli. At may gabing nakalaan sa kaunting kasiyahan. Salamat at tayo'y magkasama.
Manila Performance Company. Company. Solo. Principals. And now, Ballet Manila's Artistic Director, Ballerina Lisa Ua Elizalde. Together with the Dawn, Jeff Pana, June Boy Leonor, Francis Reyes, Sanso Sanchez, Bing Mac, also with us, the resident choreographers, Gerardo Francisco and Martin Lawrence. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Dawn and Ballet Manila in MBC MMG presentation of the 2026 Ballet Ballet, the Dawn of Ballet. And one big round of applause to the creators